Meanwhile, the Auditor General is urging the Financial Services Commission, FSC, to recover roughly $5 million which was overpaid to an employee. The details were outlined in a special audit report on the FSC by the Auditor General. More in this report from Andrea Chisholm.
In June 2017, the FSC board chairman instructed that $11.1 million be paid to a former executive director as a separation payment. However, the Auditor General did not see a resignation letter or evidence of a decision by the board to cut ties with the then executive director. Of the $11.1 million that was paid out, $4.76 million should have been taken out for taxes, but it was not deducted. To fix the omission, the FSC chairman said the $4.76 million should be treated as a grace payment and the FSC would pay the taxes to the authorities. Therefore, the former executive director would have been overpaid. The Auditor General has recommended that the FSC recovers the $4.76 million. In the meantime, the FSC lost roughly $164 million when Jamaica hosted the 2017 International Organization of Securities Commission Conference. Revenues stood at $155.4 million and expenses over $319 million. The Auditor General said the board agreed that there were missteps in the process, but in the interest of maintaining Jamaica's reputation, there were efforts to make the conference a success. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.